episode of Truckin' Tuesday. I picked up a hot woman on the side of the road, so don't tell my wife. I'm just kidding. I would never do that. But anyway, so I'm going to find a little bit of mud. It has rained a little bit here and there, not really a whole lot, but it's kind of sunny today, so there probably won't be a whole lot of mud. I'm not going to do anything too serious. I'm not going to go into like serious mud, I guess you could say. I'm just kind of going to experiment with my four-wheel drive system, make sure everything's working good. But I do have a bit of good news. I bought this new accessory for my GoPro right here. It can go outside of the vehicle and it can hold up speeds of 140 plus miles per hour. So I'm going to use it going mud bogging at like 5 miles per hour. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna see how it does and give you like a outside perspective of mud bogging. And granted, not gonna be a whole lot going on to where we're going. It's just something just experimenting, I guess we'll say. Any input? Testing. Sponsored by Dr. Pepper.
Or Dr. Pepper sponsor us.
Yes. I will gladly put Dr. Pepper all over my truck.
And all over the video.
The wrap, not the drink. This is what happens when COVID attacks your wife. No, I'm just kidding. She hasn't had it, so not gonna win.
We were exposed, but so far we haven't got it.
Yeah, we've been exposed to like different people already, so it's just.
But we quarantined and we haven't had any symptoms, so we're good.
We're actually quarantining right now.
Yeah, well, I mean, we're around people. It's just us. I haven't been back there a long time ago, but I don't know what's back there now.
Alright, so I'm going to turn off the camera. I'm going to give you an outside perspective of what it's going to be like. It's probably going to be a whole lot of dirt, to be honest. Yeah, we got a lot of dirt on y'all. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. Alright, be back soon. All right, everyone. So sorry for it falling. I didn't expect it to go that way. We put it on the body of the truck. But good news is my GoPro's fine. As you can see, it's recording us. There's my wife, still looking good. She survived, only got a little bit of mud, but look at this. Like dirt, mud, and stuff on my new accessory. And just so y'all know, that was not real mud bogging. That was just experimental mud.
Like playing, like,
yeah, that was me testing out my 4-wheel drive to make sure it works. But eventually, I was mainly testing this out to see how it did, because I don't want to go in like serious watery mud and then this falls and then I have to hop out my truck and yeah, then I'm getting wet. So I didn't want to do all that.
It's rated for 150 miles per hour, but maybe not huge bumps.
Yeah. So keep in mind, don't do 150 miles an hour on a lot of bumps. And all you rally racers and truck racers, stuff like that. Yeah. But anyway, but we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. We're gonna turn it off, but me and my wife, Libby, we just want to say bye. Also, she has a new channel, Peacock Pastures, Georgia.
Like pastures where, you know, like cows eat, not
yeah,
like pastures.
Yeah, like pastors, like, you know, like you're preaching or something. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, so like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else you would like to see me do in my truck. All right, out.